Order. We start tonight with a projected end to Oregon's mask mandate. State health officials say it will be March 31st at the latest. The announcement comes as the state implements a new permanent mask rule. Catherine Cook explains what all of that means.
In Oregon, we now have an end date for the state's mask mandate. March 31st, at the latest, is the word from leaders at the Oregon Health Authority. It would apply to the general public and K-12 schools. The announcement comes on the same day the state approved a new permanent mask mandate. If that seems contradictory, here's the backstory. In Oregon, the only way to extend the state's temporary mask mandate, which just expired, is by replacing it with a permanent rule. But contrary to its name, health officials can remove that permanent rule when they want to. Again, their target date to do that is March 31st. State Health Officer Dr. Dean Seidlinger.
Having these requirements in place for the next several weeks is important as we get case rates back down, return to a level where hospitals are better able to care for patients without the strain that they're experiencing now.
By late March, the state expects 400 or fewer COVID hospitalizations in Oregon. Many parents, frustrated by fluctuating mandates, question the need to follow those metrics for ending mask mandates in schools.
What is the data that says we should have masks on for the next 2 months? What's magic about March 31st?
Kim McGarr and Eric Happel are part of a parents group called Opening PDX Schools. They have mixed emotions about Monday's announcement.
Have you had a chance to tell your kids about the news, and what has their reaction been?
I did text them, and my wife is going to be mad at me for doing that because she'll say we can't continue to overpromise and underdeliver to our kids because we've done that so many times.
On social media, reaction to the projected end of the mask mandate is mixed. On Twitter, Margaret said, "Should be sooner." Amanda wrote, "I feel like May is a better time frame." Patrick added, "Too early for me. Next variant on the way."
When I think about masks in school, it's the littles that just really break my heart. And I hope and pray that this really happens on the 31st and they can at least have some portion of this school year where they can see faces and frowns and smiles and hear their teachers.
As for the likelihood that the state would revert back to a masking requirement,
I think it would be unlikely that we'll see, reimposition of mask requirements broadly across Oregon.
Even after March 31st, Oregon will still require masks in healthcare settings. Also, private businesses and employers, including individual school districts, can establish their own masking rules. Catherine Cook, KGW News.